Hunting gear and gadgets encompass a wide range of essential tools for outdoor enthusiasts. From firearms, optics, and camouflage clothing to scent control and field dressing kits, these items ensure efficiency and success in hunting pursuits. Featuring innovative technologies like trail cameras and GPS devices, they enhance tracking and scouting abilities. Whether for bow or firearm hunting, this specialized gear and gadgets cater to hunters seeking improved performance and a more rewarding hunting experience. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 5. LaCrosse Lodestar Hunting Boots are a premium footwear option designed to provide hunters with the utmost comfort, durability, and performance in the field. These boots are crafted with meticulous attention to detail and are packed with features that cater specifically to the demands of hunting. The Lodestar boots are constructed with a combination of full-grain leather and textile materials, ensuring both ruggedness and flexibility. They feature a waterproof and breathable Gerber TEX membrane that keeps your feet dry and comfortable in any weather condition. The boots also boast 400 grams or 800 grams Thinsulate Ultra insulation, providing exceptional warmth without adding bulk or weight. The Lodestar boots are equipped with a Vibram outsole that offers excellent traction and stability on various terrains, allowing hunters to navigate through challenging environments with confidence. The boot's design includes a reinforced toe and heel for added protection against impacts and abrasions. Additionally, the Lodestar boots feature a cushioned footbed, a supportive midsole, and a secure lacing system for enhanced comfort and a customized fit. LaCrosse has incorporated innovative technologies and premium materials into the Lodestar boots, ensuring their longevity and performance season after season. Whether you're trekking through rugged mountains, traversing wet marshlands, or stalking prey in dense forests, the LaCrosse Lodestar hunting boots are designed to keep your feet comfortable, dry, and protected, allowing you to focus on your hunting pursuits. With their exceptional craftsmanship and attention to detail, the Lodestar boots are a reliable companion for any avid hunter seeking high-performance footwear that can withstand the rigors of the hunt. Number 4. Badlands Carbon Ox Hunting Pack is a top-of-the-line backpack designed to meet the demands of serious hunters who require durability, functionality, and comfort in the field. Crafted with precision and attention to detail, the Carbon Ox is built to withstand the harshest conditions and carry all the gear necessary for a successful hunt. The pack is constructed with a combination of ultra-durable KXO50 fabric and carbon fiber frame technology, providing exceptional strength and resilience while remaining lightweight. With a total volume of 2,800 cubic inches, the Carbon Ox offers ample storage capacity for gear, clothing, and accessories. It features a main compartment with multiple pockets and organizational options, as well as a rifle/bow boot that securely holds your weapon in place during transport. The pack also includes a detachable hydration bladder system, ensuring you stay hydrated during long days in the field. The Carbon Ox is equipped with a unique ventilated suspension system that promotes airflow and reduces heat buildup, keeping you cool and comfortable even during intense activity. The pack's shoulder straps and waist belt are padded and adjustable, allowing for a customized fit and weight distribution. Additionally, the Carbon Ox incorporates Badlands' innovative load hauling technology, which evenly distributes the weight of your gear and reduces strain on your back and shoulders. The pack is also equipped with multiple compression straps and lash points, allowing you to secure additional gear such as a tripod or trekking poles. With its rugged construction, thoughtful design, and advanced features, the Badlands Carbon Ox Hunting Pack is a reliable and indispensable companion for hunters who demand the best in performance and durability. Number 3. Nemo Stalker Expedition Down Mummy Bag is a high-performance sleeping bag designed to provide ultimate warmth and comfort in extreme cold weather conditions. Built for the most demanding expeditions, this mummy bag is packed with features and premium materials that ensure a restful night's sleep in even the harshest environments. The Stalker Expedition is insulated with 800 fill power down, which offers exceptional warmth-to-weight ratio and compressibility. This high-quality down insulation provides excellent loft and trapped heat effectively, keeping you cozy and insulated in frigid temperatures. The bag is also treated with a water-resistant finish, ensuring that the down remains dry and insulating even in damp conditions. The Stalker Expedition features a contoured hood with a draft collar and a full-length draft tube along the zipper, minimizing heat loss and preventing cold air from seeping in. The bag's mummy shape maximizes heat retention by conforming to the body and reducing dead air space. The foot box is designed with extra insulation to keep your feet warm, while the waterproof and breathable foot box protects against damp ground conditions. The Stalker Expedition is also equipped with a zippered stash pocket for keeping essentials within reach. The bag is available in different lengths to accommodate various body types, and it features a differential cut to optimize loft and eliminate cold spots. The Nemo Stalker Expedition Down Mummy Bag is a top choice for mountaineers, winter campers, and adventurers seeking reliable warmth and comfort in extreme cold weather conditions. With its premium materials, thoughtful design, and attention to detail, this sleeping bag is a reliable companion for unforgettable outdoor experiences. Number 2. Wicked Ridge Blackhawk 360, the lowest-priced American-made crossbow, is an exceptional crossbow that stands out as the lowest-priced American-made option on the market. Designed and manufactured by 10-Point Crossbows, this crossbow delivers a winning combination of affordability, reliability, and performance. The Blackhawk 360 features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and carry during long hunting expeditions. With a width of only 15.25 inches when cocked, this crossbow is ideal for hunting from tree stands or ground blinds. The Blackhawk 360 boasts a powerful 360 feet per second (FPS) velocity, ensuring impressive accuracy and penetration. It is equipped with a precision-engineered riser and cams that work in synergy to generate high speeds while maintaining a smooth and consistent draw cycle. The crossbow stock is ergonomically designed for comfortable shooting and features adjustable cheek and butt plates to accommodate various shooter preferences. The Blackhawk 360 comes with a 10.3x multi-line scope, which provides clear and accurate target acquisition. The crossbow also includes a rope cocking device for easy and consistent cocking, reducing strain on the shooter and ensuring consistent performance with each shot. With its durable construction and dependable performance, the Wicked Ridge Blackhawk 360 offers excellent value for both seasoned hunters and newcomers to the sport. Number 1. Gerber Randy Newberg Dual Tool System Innovative Field Dressing Knife is an innovative field dressing knife designed in collaboration with renowned hunter and conservationist Randy Newberg. This versatile tool system combines two essential components into one compact and efficient package, making it a must-have for hunters and outdoor enthusiasts. The dual tool system includes a replaceable blade knife and a saw, providing the capability to tackle a wide range of field dressing tasks with ease. The replaceable blade knife features a high-quality stainless steel blade that is sharp, durable, and easy to clean. With the ability to swap out blades quickly and effortlessly, hunters can maintain a razor-sharp edge throughout their dressing process. The included saw is perfect for cutting through bone and tough materials, ensuring efficient field processing of game. The saw blade is securely stored within the knife handle, allowing for compact and safe storage when not in use. The dual tool system boasts an ergonomic handle with textured rubber grips, ensuring a comfortable and secure hold even in wet or slippery conditions. The handle also incorporates an integrated gut hook for convenient and precise field dressing. Additionally, the tool system comes with a durable and lightweight nylon sheath for safe transportation and storage. With the Gerber Randy Newberg Dual Tool System, hunters can rely on a versatile and efficient tool that simplifies the field dressing process.